Hi, this is Roger. Thanks for dropping by. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. I've had a comment put on the recipe that I put up that basically I got the conversion wrong. Quite honestly, partway through doing that, I was losing the will to live. I still find it an absolute joke. The guy's a qualified engineer and he spends a lot of his time converting to and from the metric system to US measurements in the US. What a waste of people's time. Across the world we use metric, and that's what people should be using. It makes you universal. It means that when you come out of college or university in the States and you move to Spain, you know what you're doing. Instead of scratching your head thinking, what's all these funny numbers? Divisible by 10, multiplied by 10, divide by 100. Oh, it's so complicated. What a waste of time. And yes, I have got the ump. Anyway, the converted recipe for the rest of the world, the whole of the rest of the world, will come up now. And sorry for the mistake. I hope people haven't gone mad with it. Mind you, that video hasn't been up there long. But anyway, these should be the correct measurements for 1 litre of water. And sorry for the mistake, but I shouldn't have had to do the conversion in the first place, should I? Okay, 1 litre and millilitres coming up.